Bullish Shiba Inu cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept SHIB could reach $0 2025. Bearish Shiba Inu market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Shiba Inu presentation. Digital forms of money are a very interesting speculation opportunity, yet they can be challenging to comprehend. One of the most well-known digital currencies is Bitcoin, and many individuals are presently posing inquiries about its likely replacement, Shibacoin or Shiba Inu. In this blog entry, we'll investigate the anticipated cost of Shiba Inu and how it looks at other digital forms of money. If it's not too much trouble, note that the accompanying expectations are for enlightening purposes just and ought not be viewed as monetary exhortation. We suggest doing all necessary investigation prior to putting resources into any cryptographic money. What is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is a decentralized cryptographic money made as a farce of Dogecoin. It has a restricted stock of 1 quadrillion tokens altogether, with half of the inventory at first disseminated to holders of Ethereum's local cash, ETH. Shiba Inu is right now positioned in the main 30 digital currencies by market capitalization. The Shiba Inu project is named after the popular Japanese canine type of a similar name. The logo for the cryptographic money is likewise an animation portrayal of a Shiba Inu canine. The designers behind Shiba Inu made the token to be utilized for the purpose of tipping content makers and other web-based clients. Shiba Inu can be sent involving similar strategies as ETH and other Ethereum-based tokens. Shiba Inu is one of a few purported image coins that have as of late acquired prominence. Others incorporate Dogecoin, made as a spoof coin, and SafeMoon, made to be utilized as a deflationary money. The Shiba Inu framework. The Shiba Inu environment is a local area of computerized resources and conventions that connect to make a consistent client experience. The environment comprises of the Shiba Inu token, the Shiba Trade decentralized trade, and the Shiba Tracker application. Together, these parts give a total answer for purchasing, selling, and following Shiba Inu tokens. The token can be traded on the Shiba Trade DEX and is utilized to follow costs across different trades through the Shiba Tracker application. The token is likewise used to pay exchange charges on the DEX and can be marked to acquire rewards. The Shiba Trade decentralized trade is a trustless and decentralized trade that permits clients to exchange Shiba Inu tokens straightforwardly with one another. The DEX is fueled by the 0x convention and is completely non-custodial, implying that clients generally hold full oversight of their tokens. The DEX likewise includes an implicit liquidity pool that permits clients to procure prizes for giving liquidity to the trade. The Shiba Tracker application is a versatile application that permits clients to follow the costs of Shiba Inu tokens across different trades. The application likewise gives a portfolio following element, permitting clients to follow their SHIB possessions and execution. The application is accessible for the two iOS and Android gadgets. Shiba Inu specialized investigation. Shiba Inu has a market capitalization of more than $6 billion. The coin had seen a critical cost increment when it was first presented, exchanging at around $0 that point. Shiba Inu then began to move higher and broke out of the dropping triangle design. The breakout was joined by significant volume, recommending that the bulls were in charge. The cost of SHIB has been consistently acquiring strength from that point forward and moved near testing 50-day moving midpoint. The 200-day mama goes about as help. So in the event that any dive proceeds with it might areas of strength for hold any further misfortunes in the transient prior to attempting once more at a later time on when more financial backers become intrigued once unpredictability shoots up once more. The most critical opposition at the 200-day mama in the long haul might turn the negative pattern totally. The chance of serious areas of strength for it could be lighted here, which will test levels indeed and lead to one more bull run whenever supported for in excess of a couple of days or weeks together. In general, we are bullish on Shiba Inu in the medium to long haul. Shiba Inu current cost. Shiba Inu is right now worth $0. SHIB has moved 4.05% as of now with an exchanging volume of $325,501,383. Shiba Inu is right now positioned 14 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,383,649,618 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Shiba Inu to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Shiba Inu value forecast 2022. Shiba Inu, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The SHIB cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headway. SHIB is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Shiba Inu Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Shiba Inu SHIB cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of SHIB will before long outperform $0. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the SHIB's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SHIB will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Shiba Inu Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SHIB might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SHIB is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Shiba Inu Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Shiba Inu effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the SHIB coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SHIB will be green in 2025. The SHIB is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Shiba Inu Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SHIB cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Besides, SHIB has a greatest value worth of $0. Shiba Inu Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SHIB figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0. Neglecting to assemble the help SHIB needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Shiba Inu Value Forecast 2028. While SHIB is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Shiba Inu Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, Shiba Inu will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Shiba Inu Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that